How to upload long stories in Facebook more than 30 seconds. Facebook limits story videos to 30-second max by default, but now in newer version that is not what happens. All you have to do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store and tap on the search address bar and type down the Facebook and tap on the Facebook from the list of the apps, and if there is an update available, tap on the update and update it to the latest version. Once you update it, all you have to do is open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on the story icon available there and upload a new story. You can upload max 90-second story now in Facebook once you have updated. So make sure that you update it to the latest version. So as you can see, I'm tapping on the 44 seconds long story and it has gone to the 44 seconds. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.